Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. I wanted to share this moisture meter that has made watering my plants so much easier. Previously, I never knew whether my plant soil was dry, moist, or too wet. But since I got this moisture meter, now I know exactly how much water to give them. I simply stick the probe into the soil and it tells me whether my soil is dry or moist or wet. I also love that it has numbers on it, so whether it's dry, I can tell how dry it is, or if it's moist, I can tell how moist it is. This gives me a pretty good idea on how much water to give to my plants. I've really enjoyed using this moisture meter because it's so easy to use. You just stick it in and you know exactly what you're doing. So if you're looking for a way to keep your houseplants very happy, give this SZHLUX moisture meter a try. And that's my point of view.